Hello, YouTube family. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we have a special treat for you, an authentic Dhokla recipe. Dhokla is a steamed, spongy cake made from fermented chickpea flour, and it's a staple in Indian cuisine. So, if you're ready to embark on a culinary adventure, let's dive right in. Before we start, let's go through the ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of chickpea flour, 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of ginger green chili paste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, a pinch of asafoetida, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, leaves, freshly grated coconut for garnish, a handful of chopped curry leaves. Now, let's get started with the preparation. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chickpea flour and yogurt. Mix it well to form a smooth batter. Now, cover the bowl and let it ferment for at least 4 to 6 hours. The fermentation process is crucial for the characteristic sponginess of Dhokla. Our batter is now nicely fermented. To enhance the flavor, let's add some ginger green chili paste, turmeric powder, and salt. Mix it well. Grease a steaming dish with oil. In a separate bowl, combine baking soda with lemon juice and quickly add it to the batter. Mix vigorously, and you'll notice the batter becoming frothy. Pour the batter into the greased dish, and we're ready to steam. Steam it for about 15-20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. While our dhokla is steaming, let's prepare the tempering. In a pan, heat oil. Add mustard seeds and let them splutter. Then add a pinch of asafoetida, curry leaves, and chopped coriander. Sauté for a minute. Once our dhokla is done steaming, pour this tempering evenly over the top. Finally, garnish with freshly grated coconut for that extra touch of flavor and freshness. Our dhokla is now ready to be served. Cut it into squares and serve it with mint chutney or tamarind sauce. Absolutely delicious. The soft and spongy texture combined with the flavors of the tempering make this dhokla a perfect snack or breakfast option. Thank you for joining us today in our kitchen adventure. If you enjoyed this dhokla recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more mouth-watering recipes. See you in the next video.